In React, events are handled similarly to standard HTML DOM events but with some key differences. React's event system is normalized and follows the W3C spec for event handling, which means events work consistently across different browsers. Here's an overview of how React events work and how to handle them. 1. Synthetic events. React uses something called synthetic events, which is a cross-browser wrapper around the browser's native event system. These events work identically across all browsers. 2. Binding events in React. In React, events are named using camel case instead of lowercase, example onClick instead of onClick. Event handlers in React are passed as functions, not strings. Example: function myButton, function handle click, alert, button clicked, return, button on click equals handle click, click me, /button. 3. Common event types. Here are some of the common event types you can use in React. Mouse events, on click, on double click, on mouse enter, on mouse leave. Keyboard events, on key down, on key press, on key up. Form events, on change, on submit, on input. Focus events, on focus, on blur. Touch events, on touch start, on touch end. Clipboard events, on copy, on cut, on paste. Window events, on scroll, on resize. 4. Passing arguments to event handlers. You can pass arguments to event handlers using an arrow function or the bind method. Arrow function example: function myButton, function handle click, message, alert, message, return, button on click equals handle click, hello, click me, /button. 5. Event pooling. In React, events are pooled, meaning the event object will be reused across multiple events. If you need to access the event asynchronously, you should call event.persist to keep the event object. Example: function handle click, event, event.persist, console.log, event. 6. Prevent default behavior. If you want to prevent the default action of an event, you can use event.preventDefault. Function myForm, function handle submit, event, event.preventDefault. Console.log, form submitted. Return. Form on submit equals handle submit. Button type equals submit /button. /form. 7. Event bubbling and capturing. React allows you to control the event propagation behavior using the capture phase and bubbling phase. Bubbling, default events propagate upwards from the target element to the root. Capturing, you can trigger events during the capture phase by adding capture to the event name, example on click capture. Example: div on click equals alert, bubbled. Button on click capture equals alert, captured. Click me, /button, /div.